Hey, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and it's not too hot outside for you. So today we're gonna make barbecue chicken pizza because I'm about ready to eat right now. So I pre-prep the chicken and the onions. So we're gonna start, and I'm using flour tortillas, and we're gonna do this in the air fryer to see how it tastes. Hopefully it turned out great. I don't want to waste too much time trying to get it prepped. Trying to get it ready because I am ready to eat. So, I'm gonna get a spoon, rinse it off. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna start off with the barbecue sauce. When I worked at Nordstrom, I had barbecue chicken pizza. It was so good. Hopefully I got enough cheese. I'm only doing 2, you guys. I'm gonna do 1 for me and 1 for my daughter. Spread this around. Try to get every bite with some barbecue sauce. Oh, and I got jalapenos too. Next, we're going to add the chicken. Next, we're going to put the cheese on there. I would have used mozzarella. My daughter wanted me to use mozzarella, but I didn't go to the store. We're going to use what we have. Put the cheese on there. So that's the end of that. Wash my bowl out. Remember, guys, I always wash my dishes out as I go so I won't have dishes in my sink. I clean my sink out and dry it out. So, dry this bowl out. Nice and clean. Put it up. I got my lining and my paper, my foil. And I'm going to start with my first one. Remember, the chicken already done. Oh, I forgot the onions, you guys. I'm just gonna put the onions on the top because I forgot about the onions. Out of sight, out of mind. Okay. Go ahead and put this on. We're gonna try 8 minutes. From 390, 8 minutes. How y'all think it's gonna look? Barbecue chicken pieces. I'm gonna fix my daughter one and me. I'm ready to eat. Then when it's done, I'm gonna put the jalapenos on the top. I'm gonna put the peppers on the top. Wash this out. You saw me, guys, clean my bottom of my pot out. Oh, I cleaned it good, didn't I, y'all? Go on my page and see what you need to clean your pots and pans. Yeah, go on my page and see what you can clean with the pots and for your pots and pans and your ovens. You can clean your ovens with it too. Everyday household goods. You can clean your oven and your pots and pans. I'm so hungry. I tried going to Popeyes to get the ghost pepper wings. They told me they didn't have any. They wait till I get to the window and said, we don't have any. I waited 20 minutes for the guy to bring back the register. Then when I get up to the window, he tell me to come on, come on. So when I order, I said, can I have 2 orders of the ghost pepper wings? He said, we all out. We don't have any more. For real. So I left. I said, I'll go home and make my barbecue chicken pizza. We'll try it another time. I'll try it with you guys another time. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe Thursday or Friday. Yeah. But tonight, I'm ready to eat something. This little pizza will do me just justice. I'll be alright. Drink my water. I'm on my second cup, which is the ice cream cup. And I'm at half a cup. And I'll be good. So, with that being said, pizza almost ready. We got 4 more minutes. Don't want to make this long. I didn't want to make this long because I'm hungry and I didn't want to wait days and days for my video to upload because it is long. So I'm trying to make it short. I pre-prepped everything so the video wouldn't be so long. And some people tolerance to hold interest and stuff is real short. So I try to make the video short. Now I used to make them like 20 minutes long, but people attention span ain't so great nowadays, you know. So I just try to keep it short and sweet, you know. Get my spatula. Wash that out. Dry it off. So we're going to have a wet dough. Dry it off. And there, you guys, you have barbecue chicken pizza on a flour shell. By the way, I hate corn tortillas. I don't like them. So now I'm going to put the other one in. And while the other one is in, I'm going to tell you guys how it tastes. Wash that out. Try this. I'm just going to pick it up and eat it. It tastes good, you guys. Try it. On flour shell, season and cut up your chicken, grill your onions, and voila. Pizza. Pizza for the night. So let's do one more time. Barbecue chicken pizza. It tastes great, y'all. So, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share my video. And you guys have a great day. And thanks for the subscribers. And thanks for liking my video and coming to watch with me. So you guys have a pleasant day. Bye.